Hello there, welcome to our channel tutorial guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to unmute someone's story on Facebook. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to unmute your friend's story on Facebook, let's open up our Facebook app first. And after that, probably to unmute a story on Facebook, you had already muted that friend's story. Now if you want to unmute the story again, you will have to search for them. To search for them, you can see the magnifying glass icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the magnifying glass, and after that, tap in the name type in the name of the person or your friend of whose story you had muted, and open the profile and view the story again. And you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three dotted icon, and after that you can see the unmute angel's story over here. If you want to unmute her, tap on unmute angel's story, and again tap on unmute, and let's go back. And there guys, this is how you unmute a story or unmute somebody's story on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.